Bon voyage, unveiled. A journey through its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into a popular phrase you might have heard while seeing someone off on a trip. Bon voyage. Let's explore its origin, meaning, and how to use it properly in conversations. Bon voyage is a French phrase which has been adopted into the English language. The term can be broken down into two parts. Bon, it means good in French. Voyage, this refers to a journey or trip in French. So, combined, the phrase quite literally means good journey or have a good trip. Bon voyage is usually used to wish someone a pleasant journey or trip. Here are some instances where you can use this phrase. 1. When someone is leaving for a vacation, you're going to Paris? Bon voyage. 2. If a colleague is going on a business trip, safe travels and bon voyage. 3. When a friend is moving to a different country or city, wishing you a new adventure and a bon voyage. Though the phrase is of French origin, it's widely recognized and understood in the English-speaking world. So, even if the person you're speaking to isn't familiar with French, they'll likely understand your well wishes. While bon voyage has a certain international flair, there are other phrases in English that convey a similar sentiment. Here are a few. 1. Safe travels. 2. Have a great trip. 3. Travel safely. These phrases can be used interchangeably with bon voyage, depending on your preference or the familiarity of your audience with the French term. And that's a wrap on bon voyage. The next time you're waving goodbye to someone embarking on a journey, remember this phrase and sprinkle in a little French flair. Hope this video enriched your vocabulary and understanding. Until next time, happy learning!